Shades of gray. We use them when we paint for our skies, our shadows, dark areas. They're more useful than we think, and gray cannot always be just your basic gray and boring. You can have these cooler grays. This is mixed with ultramarine and burnt sienna and just different levels of paint that I've put in there. And these are cool grays. Now, if you like a little bit more of a reddish gray, you could work with ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, and alizarin crimson. And these give you almost a gray mauve, I think is one way to say it, purple type of gray. If you look at shadows, shadows are not always one color, one shade, one value. They have different colors in them, often picking up the color of the object that's throwing the shadow. So pre-mixing grays is not a bad idea, and having a little chart for each mix is one way to learn how to work with grays. In this instance, I wanted to work with some gray greens or green grays, and I mixed alizarin crimson and lemon yellow and some ultramarine blue, and you get a kind of grayish green with that. Then again, going to your purple grays. In this case, I used 3 colors to mix my purples. Alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue gave me a purple, and then I put a dash of lemon yellow in there. And then I got a variety of purple grays, all different values, all different levels. And finally, I like warm grays. These remind me of soft fur on a cat, or your pet dog, or the feathers of a bird. I mixed cadmium yellow, permanent red, which gave me an orange, and then I added ultramarine blue, and I got a nice selection of these warm, soft grays. The variety that you get with mixing colors for grays is endless. You work with what you've got on your palette, always keeping in mind, use the colors that you're using for your paintings. If you use these same colors to create grays, it will unify your painting. Using grays is practice, it's knowing what the paint will do, and it's also learning to see what's on your original subject matter. So there you have it. There's the multiple shades of gray. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a creative and successful day, and remember to keep practicing.